Marco E-Motion 36 is a luxurious and sporty maxi rib. The look and setup are spectacular. The T-top is held up by painted steel and tubulars that are matte black. It is built 100% by infusion. This way, it is sturdier yet lighter. The fiberglass bracket extends the hull for better navigation. Also, it contributes into creating a very large beach area. It is approved as a vessel within the 10-metre limit, although it is longer. It is 3 metres and 60 centimetres wide, but for transport it narrows down by deflating the air chambers and folding the side passages. One of the strong points of the deck is the large cockpit with 3 sofas. An electro-hydraulic system raises the floor, transforming it into a table for 6 people. There is a small gate that opens to comfortably go aft. In the counter mirror, there is a locker for the fenders and the water and fuel loading. In the aft bridge, there is a second anchor with its winch that is a real rarity. Micro-perforated awnings stretch between carbon poles, shade the aft area and, if desired, even the forward one. The T-top characterises the style and comfort. If you navigate for many hours, it is very useful to be protected from the sun or even bad weather. On the roof there are speakers and lights that illuminate the deck area. The kitchen is furnished according to the client's requests. Marco E-Motion 36 adopts the best systems offered on the market to pilot and manoeuvre easily. Style and technology define the large dashboard. There is room for 16-inch displays. Everything can be customized, including the systems and their controls. This version is equipped with 3 Mercury 400 horsepower engines, although there are many other engines, such as double or triple, that you can choose from. The static and dynamic safety of the 7 air chambers makes it better than any boat of the same size. With a total of 1,200 horsepower, it reaches a maximum speed of 60.8 knots. Although, thanks to the technical experience of the shipyard, you can choose specific setups for your navigation. At the bow there is a large sundeck, which is well protected by bulkheads and raised handrails. The cushions are covered with fine hand-tufted upholstery, made through exceptional tailoring care. Below deck there is the cabin, very elegant, very bright and spacious. It is furnished to store what is most precious to you, to keep the drinks cool and for having breakfast. The bathroom is surprising because it has a separate and comfortable shower cubicle. Marco E-Motion 36 is a mix of sportiness and luxury, fun and relaxation. It is a very high-level product. No wonder Marco has almost 50 years of experience.